Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, November 1st, 2023. It is 2:31 and 18 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Crab Nebula. So let's come to it here. The Crab Nebula scene and new light by NASA's Webb, exquisite, never-before-seen details help unravel the supernova remnants, puzzling history. Date October 30th, 2023. Source: NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. As the astronomers gaze at the Crab Nebula, a supernova remnant located 6,500 light-years away in the constellation Taurus, since the recording of the energetic event in 10,054 CE by 11th century astronomers. The Crab Nebula has continued to draw attention and additional study as scientists seek to understand the conditions, behavior, and after effects of supernova through thorough study of the crab, a relatively nearby example. Webb's sensitivity and spatial resolution allows them to accurately determine the composition of the injected material, particularly the content of iron and nickel, which may reveal what type of explosion produced the Crab Nebula. At first glance, the general shape of the supernova remnant is similar to the optical wavelength image released in 2005 from NASA Hubble Space Telescope. In Webb's infrared observation, a crisp, cage-like structure of fluffy and gaseous filaments are shown in red orange. However, in the central regions, emission from this grains, yellow, white, and green, is mapped out by Webb for the first time. Additional aspects of the inner workings of the Crab Nebula become more prominent and are seen in greater detail in the infrared light captured by Webb. In particular, Webb highlights what is known as synchrotron radiation, emission produced from charged particles, like electrons, moving around magnetic field lines at relativistic speeds. The radiation appears here as milky smoke-like material throughout the majority of the Crab Nebula's interior. And this feature is a product of the nebula's pulsar, a rapidly rotating neutron star. The pulsar's strong magnetic field accelerates particles to extremely high speeds and causes them to emit radiation as they wind around magnetic field lines. To emit it across the electromagnetic spectrum, the synchrotron radiation is seen in unprecedented detail with Webb's NIRCam instrument. And to locate the Crab Nebula's pulsar heart, trace the whips that follows a circular ripple-like pattern in the middle to the bright white dot in the center. Farther out from the core, follow the thin white ribbons of the radiation. The curvy whips are closely grouped together, outlining the structure of the pulsar's magnetic field, which sculpts and shapes the nebula. As center, left, and right, the white material curves sharply inward from the filamentary dust cage's edges and goes toward the neutron star's location, as if the waist of the nebula is pinched. This abrupt slimming may be caused by the confinement of the supernova wind's expansion by a belt of dense gas. The wind produced by the pulsar heart continues to push the shell of gas and dust outward at rapid pace. Among the remnant's interior, yellow, white, and green mottled filaments form large-scale loop-like structures, which represent areas where the dust grains reside. The search for answers about the Crab Nebula's past continues as astronomers further analyze the Webb data and consult previous observations of the remnant taken by other telescopes. The scientists will have newer Hubble data to review within the next year or so from the telescopes for imaging of the supernova remnant. This will mark Hubble's first look at emission lines from the Crab Nebula in over 20 years and will enable astronomers to more accurately compare Webb and Hubble's findings. And this is the Professor of Astronomy, Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.